Okay, let's continue with practice problem number 5. A manufacturing company secures 2 million pesos to expand its production line with repayment spread over 10 years. The type of loan is business loan. Repayment terms is it's a long term, 10 years. Requirements, company documents, financial statements. Purpose, expansion of production line. The interest rates moderate to low. Number 4. James applied for a car loan to buy a brand new vehicle for his personal use. The loan requires proof of income and has a 5-year repayment plan. So the type of loan is consumer loan, car or auto loan. Repayment terms, 5 years, and that is a medium term. Requirements, proof of income, and the collateral, which is the car. Purpose, purchase of brand new car. Interest rates, moderate and fixed monthly payment. Number 5. A retail store owner obtains a loan to purchase inventory before the holiday season with repayment scheduled after sales revenue is collected. So type of loan, a business loan, seasonal financing, repayment terms, short term, repaid after holiday sales. So requirements, business documents, purpose, inventory purchase before holidays, interest rates, moderate. Practice problem number 6. A college student applies for a loan to pay tuition fees with repayment set to start after graduation. The type of loan is a consumer loan, a student loan. Repayment terms starts after graduation. Requirements, school records, and then guarantor. Purpose, tuition and education expenses. Interest rates, low to moderate, and sometimes subsidized. Number 7. An entrepreneur borrows 5 million for commercial real estate development. Collateral is required before the loan is approved. The type of loan, it is a business loan, a commercial real estate loan. Repayment terms, long term, 10 to 20 years. Requirements, collateral required. Purpose, real estate development project. Interest rates, moderate to low. Number 8. Anna uses her credit card to pay for a new laptop. She plans to pay it back in monthly installments with interest. Type of loan: consumer loan, credit card loan. Repayment terms: monthly installments, flexible. Requirements: credit card ownership, good standing. Purpose: purchase of laptop. Interest rates: high. Number 9. A farmer receives a loan from the government to buy seeds and fertilizer for the planting season. The loan requires farm ownership documents. Type of loan: it is a business loan, agricultural loan. Repayment terms: short term, seasonal, and it is linked to harvest. Requirements: farm ownership documents. Purpose: agricultural production expenses. Interest rates: low, often government subsidized. Number 10. A young professional borrows 100,000 pesos from a bank to furnish his new apartment. The loan has a 3-year repayment term. Type of loan: consumer loan, which is personal loan. Repayment terms: 3 years, medium term. Requirements: proof of income or employment. Purpose: home furnishing. Interest rates: moderate. Number 11. A logistics company secures 10 million pesos to purchase delivery trucks with a loan tied to future revenues. Type of loan: business loan. Repayment terms: long term, 7 to 10 years, tied to revenues. Requirements: financial records, and then collateral. Purpose: purchase of delivery trucks. Interest rates: moderate. Number 12. A family applies for a mortgage loan to buy a house payable in 15 years. Type of loan: consumer loan, housing or mortgage loan. Repayment terms: long term, 15 years. Requirements: property papers, proof of income. Purpose: house purchase. Interest rates: low to moderate. Number 13. A restaurant owner borrows 500,000 to cover operational expenses during slow months. The bank requires the business financial statements. Type of loan: the business loan, working capital loan. Repayment terms: short to medium term, 1 to 3 years. Requirements: business financial statements. Purpose: cover operational expenses. Interest rates: moderate. Number 14. A nurse applies for a personal loan to consolidate credit card debts. The loan approval is based mainly on her credit history. Type of loan: consumer loan, personal consolidation loan. Repayment terms: 2 to 5 years, medium term. Requirements: good credit history. Purpose: debt consolidation. Interest rates: moderate, based on credit rating. Number 15. An IT company obtains a 7-year loan to finance the development of new software. Type of loan: business loan, and this is development financing. Repayment terms: long term, 7 years. The requirements are business plan and also the financial records. The purpose of the loan is to develop software, and then the interest rate is moderate. Number 16. A man borrows 20,000 from a lending company to pay for hospital expenses. The loan has a higher than average interest rate. The type of loan is commercial loan. It is an emergency loan. Repayment terms is short term, months to 1 year. Requirements: the proof of income. Purpose: for medical expenses. The interest rates: high. This is an emergency loan rates. Number 17. A startup clothing brand secures financing to import raw materials for production. The lender requires a detailed business plan. Type of loan: business loan, startup financing. Repayment terms: short to medium term, 1 to 3 years. Requirements: the detailed business plan. Purpose: import raw materials for production. Interest rates: this is moderate and it depends on the risk. Number 18. A parent takes out a loan to pay for a child's wedding expenses. The loan has a fixed monthly installment. Type of loan: it's a consumer loan, a personal loan. Repayment terms: it's a medium term, 2 to 5 years. Requirements: proof of income. The purpose is for wedding expenses. The interest rates are moderate to high. We'll have the next part of our Quarter 4 Numbers and Algebra Lesson Numeral number 5.